really close. We don't want it that close. No, calm down. I have got 2 products which I will be reviewing today. I've been wanting to try them for a long time, and they are the Morphe Lipkits. One of them is caramel nude and the other one is nude pink. I don't know what Hermes did to me packaging, but they're kind of battered all over. I haven't opened them, haven't got them out or anything. These have been in my house for 2 days and I've not opened them, and I really want to wear them. I've already just got my normal makeup on from what I've had today, so because I can't even bother to do full face, that's not the point of this video. The point is to see what these are like. I actually watched a YouTube video to see which ones I wanted to get because a lot of the colours look the same. So first I will be trying caramel nude. Look, oh, still all inside the packaging. In this set we have got Morphe lipstick in Boo, Morphe lip gloss in Chill, and a colour pencil in Trendsetter. We don't need this anymore. I like the packaging. The packaging looks expensive. It's plain and simple, which I like. What the fuck? I don't know whether you can see. Look, it looks like half empty. But like we say, as always, we will not judge. I will give the lip pencil a go first, which is in Trendsetter. It's like a dark brown. It's a really nice colour. Let's have a look. The guys can see, that's like a nice deep brown. I like the smell of makeup. Ooh, that just smells like wood. So, let's give this a go. I never ever use lip pencils. Whoa, that's dark. I know it's not perfect, but it's not supposed to be right now. We will sort that out at the end. This is the colour. It's very dark. Hopefully I can ombre it out a bit. I think that's the whole point of this, because the shades are a lot lighter. Oh, I like the packaging for this. Oh my god, look at the little M at the top, how cute that is. Okay, so this is Boo. Let's give it a go. I'm probably going to have to use a lip brush to blend it in. I don't want to use it because it looks so smooth and like brand new. But it feels nice and creamy, I will say that. I'm just going to get a lip brush and blend that in because it doesn't look great right now. Okay, so this is the first colour. I've tried my best to blend it in, but personally, for me, I feel like I'm too pale for the colour. But I have to put the lip gloss on next, sorry. Let's have a smell of this. Oh, it smells a bit chocolatey. This is the colours. That's all 3 of them together. Let's just do a bit of a zoom. You're gonna get right in my lips here. So this is all 3 colours together. It is a nice combo. I will say that. I do like the combo together. I feel like the colours are a little bit too washed out for my skin tone, but it might suit other people. It doesn't feel dry or anything. The lipstick feels so moisturising. I like the lipstick. It doesn't feel like, you know, I do like it, I like it. Next box we are trying out, I've took it all off now, is this one, which is Nude Pink. And this comes with a Morphe lipstick, lip gloss and liner. The Morphe lipstick is Wifey, and the lip gloss is Pop, and the lip pencil is Backseat Love. Now they sound like really nice shade names, you know what I mean? Let's have a look. This is more of like a pinky nude. Ooh, that's a nice colour. I'll show you in comparison. This is the first lip gloss I tried. This is the second. So it's a lot more pink than it is nude. The first lip pencil I had, and this is the second lip pencil. This is the first lipstick I used. I thought they were the same there, but they're not. Yes, that's Morphe Pink. So again, we're going to go in with the lip liner. It doesn't really look much different, does it, on camera? They had a third lip kit, but it wasn't in stock when I went to order it, so I don't know what that one's going to be like. Oh, I just love the little M on it. How cute is it? Little M. It looks really overdrawn, and it's not when I look in the mirror. And this is the lip gloss. I just see, like, look at the packaging, it looks really expensive. So look at the lip gloss. This is in Pop. I like these heads of the lip gloss brush. It's very thin and it's actually nice to applicate it with. So let's have a go. Applicate. It's nice to apply it with. Ah! Oh! Oh! We like it a lot. Now, this is more my colour. Because of my top. Because of my pink top. I do actually really like this. And also, as a tip, girls, so you don't get lipstick on your teeth like that. And it comes off on your finger. There's not actually a lot on there, you can barely see. You can see a little bit there. It stops it from going on your teeth. Because there's nothing worse when you're like, oh, you alright? And then there's lipstick everywhere. No, no. I really like this shade. Let's have a zoom. Let's have a zoom. Really, every time I zoom in, it just goes so dark. I really like this shade. I do like both products. I personally feel like I suit the second colour better than the first colour. Here's a clip of both of the colours so that you guys can compare, see which one you like the best. When I watched the YouTube video, it actually really helped me to pick which one I liked. I've always wanted to like create a nice ombre dark look. So I am pretty chuffed with those products. It doesn't feel, like, it feels creamy. Like nice and creamy on the lips. Doesn't feel dry. Because there's nothing worse than when you put lipstick on and it feels so dry on your lips. And you just want to take it off straight away. And these, I feel personally, these are so creamy. I personally would recommend these products. Both sets are £18 each. But if you think about it, that's really good. You get the lip gloss, the lip liner, and the lipstick for £18. And I think it's really good quality. It feels nice and expensive. Morphe is a very good brand. Obviously you get like 10% off with certain celebrity codes and stuff like that, so have a look out for that. I am really happy with these. I don't usually buy lip liners. Well, I might start doing that because it changes the game of the lip, I'll tell you that. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it and I hope I've helped you out pick which lipstick would suit you better. I'll see you in the next video.